up, dudes? Welcome back. How's it doing, garage? We have guests at the HIDG this week. Wesley and Jeremy were in the area, so they figured they would just swing on over.
Just pop in.
Yeah, so I figured we put them to work. So as you know, Ed the burb in the back. We did a lift kit and everything in it here a few videos ago. Well, we have a small issue with Ed. I don't know whose fault it was, but somehow we got the wrong leaf springs for the back of Ed. They're 56-inch instead of 52. And I guess when we put the lift in, I didn't really notice it. But over time, the rear leaves have settled, and now it's basically riding on nothing. So we're going to go drive around and show you all how crappy Ed the burb rides right now.
It's great. It's full-on rigid rear end chopper right now, for sure.
It is zero suspension in the back. So we're going to go ride around, beat ourselves up a little bit, and then we're going to back it into the new HIDG and change the springs out on our knees because, you know, we're not getting any younger. So here we go. What?
I don't see anything wrong with it at all.
What? How bumpy?
Yeah, it rides like a Cadillac.
Well, I mean, this is
when the Cadillac busts their airbags in the back. This is exactly what it rides like.
This is like riding on like a 6.8 static S10 back in the day.
With no C notch?
Yeah, with no C notch. Just
Careful, watch for traffic.
bang, 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 bang.
It's a little bit like the Yukon right now.
Don't hit the ditch, Mike. You'll never get the front wheels out of the fender well.
Look at that.
Alright, we're going to the Mike's back 40.
Here's the back.
Okay, now back to reality, so y'all really know what we're feeling.
This is
Y'all remember the movie Ace Ventura when he was riding through the road?
Bang, 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 bang.
That's kind of what this thing feels
Oh,
like.
shit. This is fun.
Where's that fox at?
Hey, when I was driving this thing, when I was coming from Georgia to Michigan, and it had all the parts in the back of this thing, every time I would hit a bump, they would hit a bump. They would levitate to the ceiling.
I like that you're just not taking the road. That's pretty awesome.
I'm gonna see what's out here, you know?
Yeah.
I guess we
Yeah,
should show what we're riding through here.
Well, see, this is how you tell in Michigan that there's a swamp.
Is the things out there?
Cattails.
Yep, the cattails.
If there's cattails out there, then we drive around today.
Well,
Alright, that's enough of this. Let's go.
alright, well,
Now we're gonna put the right springs in it and then we'll go road test it.
Do it again.
Wow.
so
be
this
night
time
and
them
day.
springs aren't as lifty, so we're going to be squatted truck lifted.
Ooh, that's what I'm talking about.
I'm fine with that. Look like a bunch of yeets.
Yep.
Alright guys, so since I don't have a lift or anything in my shop right now, and I don't have any jack stands like tall enough to put underneath this thing, because, you know, lifted life, what we're going to do is take the forklift and lift up the back of the Suburban just high enough to get the weight off the springs, and then we'll take one spring out at a time and then lower the Suburban back down, so that way we're not like underneath it while it's unsupported and all that stuff. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So Wesley's gonna drive, me and Jeremy are gonna stand around. How you doing?
Ooh, he just put it in sport mode. Ooh. Turn the head around backwards. You know it's go time.
Daggum thing's rusted up already.
Can you get your hand back in it? No, you can't.
No.
So we're gonna put the polyurethane grease on these polyurethane bushings, otherwise they squeak. Well, you don't want to put like a whole crap load on there because then it'll attract dirt and stuff. So you kind of just want to put a little bit on there.
Good. Ow! This kid. Yeah, that's what you get, Mike.
That's what I gave Mike.
That's how we do it at Housing Doing Garage out in the wilderness.
How's it doing garage at north?
North.
Yeah. Yeah. He was all sophisticated in Georgia. Now we're back to the farm use. Ooh, you're so good at that, Mike. Ooh, get it in there. We go through this way.
Yeah.
You gotta tap it all through.
Jeremy, come down slow with the forklift.
Okie dokie. Ready?
All right. Okay.
In it?
Wesley, you know we normally get rid of all these leaf springs, and Mike just keeps adding them.
Yeah.
They normally just hit the scrap pile because we 4-link and airbags, but I think the country's got a hold of Mike. It's unfortunate. We're losing our friend.
Show them what Michigan's already done to Ed.
Michigan's already done this. Like, how long's it been here, Mike?
What, a month, 2 month and a half?
Yeah. Look
Wait, when did we bring this up?
No, it's gotta be 2 months or so ago. In the winter. I drove it through one day of winter and look what it did.
I mean, look at this. Look at this. Hole here. Paint was in perfect shape. Already patina.
Starting to rot
starting to rot right here. Just shave down the tire a little bit.
Hey, look at the difference in these leaf springs.
Holy cow. That is a huge difference.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Dude, you were...
This thing ought to ride like a Cadillac.
Holy
That's
cow.
the proper leaf spring, and this is the
Yeah.
Propers.
wrong unit.
That is nuts. No wonder.
Can't have nothing.
So we're just going to do one side right now, right?
I would lower it back down and see what it looks like.
Yeah, and then we'll take it for a test drive and see if it's just rigid on one side.
Oh man. Passenger side still stuck. Whoa!
Is your fan fanning? Look at that sick tattoo. He wears his heart on his sleeve. You know what I mean? Oh wait, let's make this look epic. You can't even see the fit.
What did Fabio do? Was it butter?
Yeah, he did butter.
Is it the country crock?
I don't know.
I thought it was hair. I thought it was
He
shampoo.
was selling butter or something, wasn't he? He was
Hey,
a
you
butter.
hold it now.
I
He
thought
was
it
like
was.
a butter spokesman.
Hey, I bet I could find somebody that would know. Hey, what did Fabio sell?
What?
What did Fabio sell? Wasn't it butter?
I can't believe it's not butter.
That was it?
Oh yeah, it was. It was. I can't believe it's not butter.
Yeah.
Because he was always like, I can't believe it's not butter.
We're working on the Suburban right now. And then like,
Still cheaper than
look at these views.
No, man.
Views on views.
Like, wait a minute.
Did you just hit your head on the mirror?
Am I bleeding?
No, you're definitely not bleeding. Is the mirror okay?
I don't care.
Get the turn the lead string. Push it toward.
There she is.
I'm so proud of you, Wesley. You did so good on that.
I try. Even though I'm sweating in this Michigan heat.
It's ridiculous.
He said Michigan.
It's like 82 degrees out here right now. Man, it's hot. I bet back at home it's like 74.
Yeah.
Alright, line her up.
Alright, new springs are in. We lower it down and see where it sits. Pretty decent, pretty level. All right, let's go pull it out, see what it looks like.
First of all, let's see if it's the same height. Getting in and out. Feel like I'm in a lowrider.
This dude, well, drive it out if you're in it. This is dude wearing up my door jams.
The door pins what it's over. You don't hit some forest, you're in.
So, where's Wesley at?
Wesley, get in here.
Okay, we gotta get.
I'm in here.
You gotta get over here.
Okay, see the tire? Jeremy's arm is in the way. Okay, so when we started doing the suspension, we took 1-inch lift blocks out of the back.
Oh, yeah. Do you know where they're at?
In a tote.
No. Actually, I do know where they're at.
Let's go ride first and then we'll change them out.
We might put them in later. But anyway, we're gonna go drive around and see how not crappy it rides now.
Alright, here we go. We're gonna take you with us.
It's already way better. You're bouncing.
Oh yeah, man. This is nice. Ooh, Mike.
Now it's actually riding like a Cadillac, not a deflated one. Huh. Watch for traffic.
Man, it's still got a little stiffness to it, but it's... Oh!
Seems fine.
It's definitely a lot better than it
It's
was.
so much better. Let's see how far we can get it in the water.
Okay. This thing is just, it's like, man, take me somewhere, do something, you know what I mean? Drive right up in the lake, huh?
Really good advice. You should definitely listen to it.
Is that yours? Oh. You don't mind if I borrow it then?
Man, I like the radio flyer.
I know. Oh, that thing's custom. I didn't even realize.
I like your radio flyer. They're like, what did he just say?
That's a getting stuck off in that offloading ramp all day.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, do it.
Oh my God, you know that gets bigger there too.
Except for the dude.
Oh God, here goes the fender. Oh God, almost got me. Oh, you're not spinning over here, Mike. Just over there. Put it in the tube. There you go, turn on you.
springs on. We've test driven it. Now, since it's the 4th of July, we're gonna take everybody, we're gonna go check out some fireworks. So we're gonna run over to Mecosta and find a place to sit and enjoy some boom booms.
Oh wow, thanks Mike.
I know. Alright dudes, so went to Mecosta Fireworks, came back, it was a little late, but the Burb is a brand new truck now. It's riding great, it's driving great, you know, for a 76 Suburban anyway. But thanks Jeremy and Wesley for helping me switch the springs out, and thanks BDS again for correcting the issue and sending me the right springs, no questions asked. And yeah, so now I can go and enjoy the Suburban without it trying to kill me. So that's what we're gonna do. But thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.